guess we're going camping. Right, Waffles? No, he's upset. He doesn't know where we're going. We're going camping for the first time ever. Me and Waffles. We never been camping before. Right, Waffles? No. Only. Yeah, so we're nervous. We're excited. Right, Waffles? No? Oh. He left. Okay. Babe, you been camping before?
All the time.
Tell me about it.
It's outside.
It's outside? Okay. Oh my god. There's nature, there's... I'm a little nervous because I've been seeing yellow jackets on TV, so I'm a little nervous. But we're gonna take Waffles, so he's gonna protect us. Right, Waffles? Or hopefully not bark and be a good boy, right, Waffles? Gonna be a good boy? Hopefully he's a good boy. We already did our first round packing. Now we need to pack our food, Waffles. What? What'd you forget? Huh?
Fucking cheese.
Cheese for the hamburgers?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's okay, I'll run it.
Maybe we shouldn't have cheese.
I'll run it. And buy ice anyway. I think I have ice around.
Maybe we shouldn't eat dairy in case.
I'm taking dairy.
Cheese is dairy.
But I want cheese. Cheese are fun.
Okay. Waffles, don't be eating stuff off the floor. You're excited? You're excited? Yay! We forgot the cheese for the burgers, right, Waffles? Can you see Waffles? Hopefully you guys can see Waffles. We were putting in gas. We got the ice, we did everything, and then we forgot the cheese. So Alfonso went to go to Ralph's, got us a pack of cheese and loofahs because we forgot to bring loofahs. Again, I never been camping before, but I heard there's showers. But I think you have to like pay with quarters. I don't know. This whole camping thing sounds a little funny because I never been camping before. Oh, guess Waffles gave up, but he's coming. We're here. Looks a little scary to me.
What?
Looks scary.
We're good here. Yeah. This is right here. This is all us here. So we'll just have to pick where to put a tent. Maybe here? Maybe what you can do is...
What if Waffles pees?
Maybe you can get closer to the sign here. And then, or pull back more, and then they can pull in here and whatever. And then we'll have all this place.
So park where? Right here?
Huh?
Like right here?
Yeah, maybe. Let's see right now.
Should take a dump. Okay, well, I'm gonna wait inside. It's a little cold out here. But the... I don't think you can. Is this where you have your fire?
Yeah. We do fire pit right here. And then we could probably, well, you can probably move the table. We can probably move the table over.
Or is this us right here?
What?
Oh no, that's 12.
That's 12. Yeah, that's
Oh, I wish we would have 12.
Why?
Because you can look at, we're not like in this area.
Oh. Well, yeah, but it's still there.
Okay, well.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's get you settled in.
Waffles, what do you think? I love it. Okay, well, let me move the car then.
Yeah, I'm thinking someone can put a tent over there.
Oh, I'm cold.
Here.
So this place is called Lake Casitas. Okay, well, I'll move my car a little bit.
Oh, you don't have to move it right now. You can just unload some stuff.
Should we wait for them, though?
Huh?
To unload?
No, we're going to start unloading some stuff.
I'm cold already. Start the fire.
They'll probably be here like in an hour.
In an hour?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well.
Yeah, then maybe just straighten out. See if you can straighten out and get right in front of that 11 sign.
Okay. Okay.
Nothing yet. I'm just putting these in right now.
Well, what do you want us to do? I put the camera on her.
Dang, they got string lights?
I told you to go Coachella style.
I know.
How do you do?
How do you do that? We could get those. Those like the cheapest little ones. Man, what time is the club open?
That's fucking. This is a bar.
It's a bar. The bar's open?
That's so cute.
What happened? Now you wanna go hang out at the cute campsite?
I'm gonna leave this campsite.
You're like, I'm going to the cute campsite.
We're just over here in the bullshit in the dark. But you said you bought a light.
Yeah, I have plenty of light, don't worry.
But not a light like that.
But you don't have a cute light.
Oh, we have no light. We have no electricity.
Okay, next.
No, nothing. Come here, Waffles. This is what I'm talking about. We have this tent, and they have a really cute light setup over here. And what do we have? We're in the dark. Yes.
Hold this up.
Okay. It's coming together, right, Waffles? Are they having too much fun or what?
Yeah, they're having too much fun.
He looks so concerned, like we're gonna have to call the cops on them.
Call the police.
We're gonna call the police on them.
Call the police immediately.
Ooh, it's coming together. I might do Coachella with you. Just kidding. Do you want me to keep holding it? Waffles, come here. You excited to enter this big mansion right here? Look at this.
McMansion?
McMansion? How cute. But their string lights are gonna glow even brighter.
Huh?
They're gonna go like super bright while we're here
While we're here,
in the dark.
walking around in the dark.
It's getting darker, guys. What is that one movie, babe? Blair Witch Project? Oh my. You heard that, right, Waffles? Let's sleep in the car. Let's sleep in the car, Waffles. Look at you. Ooh. Babe.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Here. Right here, Waffles. We're here inside the tent. I didn't build the bed correctly because Waffles, here, right here. Not yet. I'm telling you, I couldn't figure it out. What was your confession?
Oh, here it is. Okay, here's the pocket.
Well, personally, I don't like camping. That's your confession? That's my confession.
These are my confessions.
This is my confession. Waffles don't like camping out here. You got another one on the way. And then Dad's trying to take us to Joshua Tree. Can you believe that? Oh, no. There's probably rattlesnakes out there.
I think they're more likely to run into one here than they are in Joshua Tree.
Rattlesnakes?
Probably, but it's kind of rare. They're kind of rare now, to be honest with you.
Well, I just saw a frog outside by my car. And it was like this big.
Yeah.
Like,
Poor guy, he was probably lost.
like I looked into his beady eyes and he reminded me of Sherlock. A little bit. And then I fucking ran off. I said, nope. It's gonna get inside my car. I'm not doing this. I know what you guys are thinking. What am I doing? Just sitting here. And my husband's just doing everything. But I've never been camping before. I don't know what this is. We haven't been camping, Ralph. We have never been camping. I love 5-star hotels. It's raining outside, huh? This is not the life for us. No! Hopefully I didn't catch that on camera, what he said he was gonna do. But have it? It was so cold last night. I didn't wet my socks.
I'm good with 2.
I think I might have hit 10 miles all of 2024.
I love that. Oh my god. Like, I hiked, one time I hiked like 9 point something miles and I thought I was like a champion of the world.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm doing. How long does try to recruit to run? Yeah, how long does it take him? How long does that, like 2 hours? That's not bad. Does he run and not like walk?
Oh, wait.
That felt weird. That felt weird.
Go, babe.
No.
I'll go first.
Go, Waffles.
Okay, go Waffles.
You got your camera going?
I'm trying to. Good job, Waffles. Whoa. We made it.
A little danger, not hurt anybody.
It's okay, Wolf. I think he's scared.
Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh my god, that's so scary. Drinking and that is not a good mixture.
Well, it's a good thing I wasn't like, 5 glasses of wine in for that. That would have been a completely different. Go on. Which way? Oh, it all cuts through, right?
How does it feel?
How do you feel? Camping. Get your campy camp on.
It feels nice, but I don't think I like the bathrooms here.
Yeah. The bathrooms are pretty mid. But I did Lysol that one.
You did, but there's spiders. There's spiders in the porta potties.
Not in the first one.
No,
I haven't spotted one in there.
not the one you cleaned. No.
Yeah.
But I think as long as Waffles is having a good time, I think I'm having a good time.
He's having a good time. Look at him. He can't get enough.
Waffles. Now we're going to a store.
Yeah, so that's for the little...
For what? Why are we going to a store?
I don't know.
Okay. How was your experience with your tent, the sleeping bag?
With our...
Oh. Would you do this again?
I don't know, would you?
Maybe.